Hello everyone, welcome back to Teacher Jessie's channel. Today we are going to look at split digraph. A two-letter graphem is called digraph. As you can see here, A, E, I, O, U is a vocal. They are vocals. When a digraph is split by a consonant, it is called a split digraph. Let us look at the first split digraph, A-E. Look at the sum of the example words with the split digraph A-E. Cave, face, cake, cage, race, sail, whale, lake, spade. Let us look at the next split digraph, E. These are some of the words with the sound E. Eve, team, Pete, these, athlete, even, evening, delete, scene. Next split digraph is O. Let us look at some of the examples here. Home, pole, phone, close, globe, broke. Let us look at the next digraph. I. Look at some of the examples here. Slide, smile, ride, line, kite, time, price, dive, mice. Let us look at this split digraph U. Look at the examples here. June, cute, cube, huge, tube, ruler, flute, mute, prune. Exercise 1. I want you to do in your exercise book. Read aloud the words with the correct split digraph sounds correctly. A, O, E, I, U. Copy the words according to the sound correctly. Highlight the digraph with colors as I shown here in the table. Exercise 2. Read aloud the passage. Copy the text. Highlight split digraph A, E, U, I, and O with colors. This is Pete. He is an athlete. Pete is a cute boy. He has a small nose. His birthday is in June. Pete likes to play the flute. He plays the flute every evening. He has a kite. He flies the kite by the lake. Pete eats rice every day. He also likes to eat cakes. His mother bakes cakes during her free time. Pete loves her mother very much. So I want you to copy this text, read, and then highlight the split diagram with colors. So you must look for this split diagram. A, E, U, I, and O. Okay, children. Thank you very much. See you in the next lesson. Bye.